Little guy, hold back. Pretty tempting, huh?
Down and ready, Silas.
Oh, you guys better get on like that.
Silas, go fill that up.
Hold back. Not quite ready yet, guys. I'll let you know. Are you ready?
Did you guys go get backpacks?
No!
You better not be double dipping. That's not nice for these little ones. Right.
Awesome. Okay, everybody. Let's go, little ones. Be careful. Don't hurt each other.
That leather strap? First thing Silas does. All the chocolate chips. I was just
We also have a gift for our MC David Brownie.
Where's the other one? He's rotten.
She got 1 second.
David, we thank you for all that you've brought to our powwow, your spiritual heart for our people and native people and the people of this land. We really appreciate your prayers and all that you've done for us. And, hope you come back. And thank you so much. We also have a gift for the Woka Spade drum after we do the song here. And also, in honor of Brother Buttons, we have a Pendleton Code Talker blanket for the first place men's traditional dancer. And also, and we're going to leave that with the folks here when they award out the prizes to the first place men's traditional. We'll get a Pendleton Code Talker blanket. And also we have a Pendleton for the first place women's traditional. We'll leave those also.